Hello and welcome to Tech AI. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can change the language on DeepSeek. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. First of all, what you need to do is open any type of browser you have on your PC and open deepseek.com. Make sure that you are logged in. After that, you can see this type of interface. Go ahead and click on the profile icon on the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. After you do that, you can see the settings icon. Go ahead and tap on settings, and under general settings is language. Go ahead and tap on the drop down menu, and as you can see, there are only two languages available. If you want to change the Chinese or Mandarin, just go ahead and tap on it, and as you can see, the language has been changed. If you want to revert back, go ahead and tap on settings over here, and you can see this is the language option. Go ahead and tap on language and select the language, and as you can see, the language has been changed. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.